guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a BMW guys. So if you have a BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 guys, it will be super helpful video guys. We'll explain which side is bank 1 and bank 2. Why you need to know bank 1 and bank 2 guys. First, okay, if you have a bad oxygen sensor, they're usually labeled bank 1 or bank 2. And you will need to know which one to replace. Second guys, for the fuel trim adjustment, quite a few things guys as well. Fuel injectors, you have so many things guys that you need to know why. Okay, certain side is bank 1, certain side is bank 2. That same engine guys, it's been used in BMW 3 Series, the E46, 5 Series E39, the X5 which is the E53 and X3 E83. Stay with us guys, we'll start on it. In the meantime, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's start on it now. So what I did guys here, okay, you can see we removed the cover for the ignition coils, okay, and we removed the cover for the fuel injectors here and for the oxygen sensor connectors. And those covers, okay, you have two caps that you need to remove, okay, two little caps like those there, and here you have two nuts, on this one you have two bolts. Once you guys pull them out, you will need to get the cap, oil cap loose to remove this one. I removed all that so I can show you a little bit better now. Looking at your engine, this is a straight 6-cylinder engine guys, and here guys you have, okay, you can see cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how you know guys which is bank 1? Bank 1 guys is cylinder number 1, 2 and 3, and bank 2 is cylinder number 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and bank 2 is 4, 5 and 6. So the first half of the engine, imagine that you split the engine in two. Okay, the first half of the engine, cylinder 1, 2 and 3 is bank 1, the second half, cylinder number 4, 5 and 6 is bank 2. So bank 1 guys, oxygen sensor for instance, okay, it's this one right here. Okay, with the gray cable, okay, that's what we will need to, black cable, excuse me, that's what we will need to be replacing, okay, right there. This is bank 1 oxygen sensor, bank 2 oxygen sensor is down there. So that's how you guys know which side is bank 1 and bank 2. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.